Some may say that this is the best sneaker ever. Some may say that this is the worst sneaker ever.
This sneaker is a classic. I had to do this. This is how I had to start. Yo. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Iron Boss, the one and only. Today we'll be doing a crazy review on the Nike Air Force 1s, the 07s, the one and only, the original, the one of the craziest sneakers in the game. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can click the bell, and this will allow you to get all the updates so that you can be fully updated with all the new jerps, new reviews, everything we'll be doing on this channel. Without further ado, let's do this.
Alright, one thing I'm big on packaging, so I like the fact that they made this box nice, clean, not a whole lot to it. I would have preferred, being that this is one of Nike's classic shoes, I would have loved if it had a little bit more sheen, a little bit more gloss, something else to add a little bit more value to the packaging, because this is definitely a shoe we really appreciate.
I prefer this white logo, and I also prefer how the gray looks on right around the box. So that's a personal love for me.
I like that it has a logo in the center of the box. It makes it really cool. It has the gray and on all the surfaces, so that's really cool. At the top of the box there's a Nike logo box, then you have the label.
What it has is the barcode, the type of shoe, the colorway, the size, the different sizes from different countries, where it's made. If you also look to the top right of the box, you can see the EST dot 1982. I'm guessing that that's the year that this sneaker was designed. On the bottom you can see there's a number of Nike logos, and wow, this is beautiful.
To me, Nike is showing how they have done really well over the years by incorporating a lot of beautiful branding on their products. And at the bottom of this you can see all that, the beautiful branding, beautiful logos. These logos we come to love and appreciate. Nike has definitely put attention to detail when it comes to branding their products.
Inside of the box we got a nice paper, and this has the AF-1s on it. I think that detail is pretty cool. After opening it up, you can see this beauty, white.
Alright, first of all, we're gonna have a look at the exterior of the shoes. Looking at it from right here, I can tell you this is a beautiful shoe. This is the most beautiful shoe you'll ever see. Nah, maybe not. This is the greatest shoe of all time. No. Let me do that again. This is one of the greatest shoes of all time. This is something I've come to appreciate over the years. This is one of the most sleek. This is pretty cool, it's pretty nice, it's a nice design, it's really clean cut. Like, look at the white. You've never seen a white this white and beautiful. You'll never see it. When it comes to finding a really nice white sneakers, it's hard to find. So you'll go around a lot of places, you won't find it this good. This slick, this clean, you won't find it this good. But I love this. I love how this looks. It's just really nice, really clean. If you look at the leather, it has a nice patterns in it, so it's really nice. It smells great too. And I'm like smelling the shoe, and it smells great too. So the leather is nice. Nice leather, nice textures, nice stitching, very nice.